All right, so you created your Google form. Now let's add some questions to it. So what we do to add a question is you just hit this plus sign, the add question button. We want to get whoever fills out our form, we want to know who's filling it out. So we want to put a spot there for them to type in their name. So with this first question right here where it says question and we got the blinking cursor, we're just going to type in first name. Okay. Did you catch what Google did there? That was pretty cool. What it did is when you typed first name, it predicted that you wanted a short answer question. So you have all these different types of questions here that you can choose from. Google knew that the person's going to have to type in. Okay. Let's ask the last name too. So let's add a new question. Watch this. Right now it's set to multiple choice. Again, if we wanted to, we can put it as a short answer, but let's leave it alone and watch how Google kind of works its magic. We want to get the person's last name. So let's just go ahead and type in last name. And ooh, look at it, did it again. Changed it to a short answer. Okay, so now what does this look like? Anytime you're working on your form, you can come over here to the preview button, that little eyeball, and you press that. And here is when you send this form to somebody, this is what they're going to see. It's going to say the title here. It's going to say first name, your answer. So this is where they click on it and they start typing, their first name or last name. And then what happens is they press submit when they're all done. Okay. Let's add some more questions to this. So I'm going to close this screen. Back here to my Google form where I'm working. And I've got this cool document here that you can use it if you want. You don't have to. But with this document, I have questions here already that you can ask. If you want to, you can copy and paste these over. And that's what I'm going to do now. So this one here, which color do you like the best? I'm just going to use my Control-C or right-click, copy. I come back over here and I'm going to paste. I'm going to paste it in a new question. So I made a new question. I'm going to paste it. Okay. It's multiple choice. I come back over here and I grab the answers now. All right. Pretty simple what I'm doing. All I'm doing is taking what I have already made, copy and pasting into the Google form. Now I could type these if I wanted to. I didn't have to copy and paste, so I can put add here if I wanted to, black and maybe purple. Okay, and that question's all done. Let's add another one. Okay, because remember, you have to add 3 questions to your Google form when you're gonna ask, all the other Chrome Depot members to fill it out. You want enough questions on there. So let's go with this one here. If you had to choose one team to root for, who would it be? I'm gonna copy that. I'm gonna come back over here and just paste it into a new question. I'm gonna have my options. Again, I can type or I can just copy and paste. And so I'm gonna copy and paste. It's a little bit faster. Okay. And let me just continue doing this. Just like so. You know which one I'm going to pick, right? Arizona Cardinals. Yeah, that would be my #1 choice out of all these. Last place would probably be the Seattle Seahawks. Sorry, Seahawks fans. Okay, let me add a new question. I'm going to go back over here, and this one says Marvel or DC Comics. I'm going to paste the question, and then I'll just type these in here. All right, now we have 1, 2, 3 questions. We got spots for first and last name. Let's see what that looks like. Again, we hit the preview button. Boom, check it out. We have a survey. We've created it. All right, next video, I'll show you how to change the background so it's not all like this funky purple. See you guys later.